Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link Twitch to Discord. So in this case, you have to click on this user settings first. Log into your Discord account, then go to user settings. After that, scroll down and you will find here connections. Under the user settings, you will find connections option. Just click on connections and then add accounts to your profile. You have to click on this view more option. If you click on view more, your all connections will be shown here. If you want to connect Twitch, find Twitch here. Where's Twitch? Okay, here's Twitch. Click on Twitch. You see that Twitch is added here. Okay, so if you don't have any Twitch account, you have to open a Twitch account first, then you can add your Twitch account to your Discord like this. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.